Looking for the best binoculars that balance performance, portability, and price? Well, you're in luck. We've rounded up the top 8 X42 binoculars on the market, and trust me, there's a lot to choose from. In this video, we'll dive into each option, comparing features, pros, cons, and real-world performance to help you find the perfect match for your outdoor adventures. Stick around, and at the end, we'll crown the ultimate winner, Nikon PROSTAFF P7 8x30 waterproof binoculars. Starting with the Nikon PROSTAFF P7 8x30 waterproof binoculars, these compact binoculars are a dream for travelers and birdwatchers alike. With an 8.7D field of view, they're great for tracking moving subjects. The multi-coated lenses and highly reflective prism coating provide bright, clear images, which is perfect for low light conditions. The 8x magnification combined with 30mm objective lenses strikes a solid balance between portability and optical performance. Users love the durable rubber-armored exterior, giving it a firm grip, while the smooth focus wheel allows for precise adjustments. However, the central hinge is a bit stiff, and the diopter adjustment feels delicate compared to the Nikon Monarch M7 8x30. The P7 offers a wider field of view, but with slightly less sharpness around the edges. The Monarch M7 does come at a higher price point, though, which makes the P7 a great, more budget-friendly option. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality, compact option without breaking the bank. Pros: wide 8.7D field of view, bright, clear images with great color, compact and lightweight, durable, rubber-armored exterior, smooth focus wheel, slight edge distortion, stiff central hinge, delicate-feeling diopter adjustment. 6 Vortex Optics Diamondback HD 8x42 binoculars. Next up, the Vortex Optics Diamondback HD 8x42 binoculars, offering a high-definition optical system that delivers incredible sharpness and color accuracy. The multi-coated lenses and dielectric prim coatings ensure bright, crisp visuals even in low light, making them ideal for dawn or dusk observations. They are also built to last with waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof construction. The included glass pack harness system makes carrying them around super convenient for field activities. The wide field of view makes tracking moving subjects a breeze, and the close focus feature lets you observe nearby objects in incredible detail. While the focus wheel is a little stiff for some, the overall performance makes this a top contender. Compared to the Nikon Monarch 5, the Diamondback HD offers a wider field of view, which is beneficial when you need to track subjects quickly. And with Vortex's lifetime warranty, you're covered for the long haul. In summary, the Diamondback HD offers an amazing mix of performance and durability at a great price. Pros: high-definition optical system for clarity, wide field of view for easy tracking, waterproof, fog-proof, shock-proof, glass pack harness for hands-free carrying, lifetime warranty. Con: slightly stiff focus wheel, a bit heavier than some alternatives. Rubber coating may attract dust over time. 5 BOSMA 8x42 HD binoculars. For those seeking high-quality optics at a reasonable price, the BOSMA 8x42 HD binoculars might be exactly what you're looking for. With silver-plated BAK4 prisms and fully multi-coated surfaces, these binoculars provide sharp, vibrant images and excellent color accuracy. The wide field of view ensures you can spot your target with ease. They're nitrogen-filled, waterproof, and fog-proof, making them perfect for all kinds of weather. The rubber armor adds to the durability, providing a secure grip. Users have reported impressive clarity and minimal distortion in real-life use, while the focus wheel could be a bit smoother and the binoculars lack some extra features like a harness system. These are still fantastic value for the price. Overall, the BOSMA 8x42 HD binoculars offer excellent optical performance and reliability at a budget-friendly price. Pros: silver-plated BAK4 prisms for enhanced brightness, fully multi-coated for sharp images, wide field of view, waterproof, fog-proof, and durable rubber armor. Con. Stiff focus wheel lacks additional features like a harness. Some may want a wider field of view. For Hontry 8x42 roof binoculars. The Hontry 8x42 roof binoculars are a fantastic option for those who want solid performance without paying a premium. With fully multi-coated lenses and phase-coated BAK4 prisms, they offer sharp and clear images with excellent light transmission. These binoculars are IPX6 waterproof and nitrogen-filled, so you don't have to worry about the weather. The rubber armor ensures durability, making them great for outdoor use. Although they don't come with a harness or a lifetime warranty like some pricier models, they still pack a punch in terms of optical quality and value. In short, if you're looking for reliable, budget-friendly binoculars for birdwatching or travel, the Hontry 8x42 binoculars are a solid choice. Pros: fully multi-coated lenses for crisp visuals, IPX6, waterproof and nitrogen-filled, durable rubber armor, affordable price for good quality. Cons: focus wheel is a bit stiff, lacks a harness system, not as wide a field of view as some others. 3 Nikon 16767 Monarch M5 8x42 binoculars. The Nikon 16767 Monarch M5 8x42 binoculars stand out with their extra low dispersion ED glass, which eliminates chromatic aberration, giving you incredibly sharp, true-to-life images. The fully multi-coated optics enhance light transmission, ensuring bright, high-contrast visuals even in dim conditions. The roof prism design makes these binoculars compact and easy to carry, while the comfortable non-slip rubber armor enhances grip. They're also waterproof and fog-proof, making them perfect for outdoor adventures. While the field of view is narrower compared to some others, it still offers great clarity and performance. When compared to the Vortex Optics Diamondback HD, the Monarch M5 is a great option if you prefer a more compact design. All in all, the Nikon Monarch M5 is an excellent binocular for those who need high-quality optics in a durable package. Pros: ED glass for sharp, true-to-life images, fully multi-coated for better light transmission, waterproof and fog-proof, non-slip rubber armor, compact and easy to carry. Con: narrower field of view than some competitors. No additional features like a harness or lifetime warranty. Slightly heavier than other models in its class. 2 Athlon Optics 8x42 Midas UHD Gray Binoculars. For the best in performance and value, the Athlon Optics 8x42 Midas UHD Gray Binoculars are hard to beat. These binoculars use extra low dispersion ED glass to deliver crisp, clear images with vibrant colors. Fully multi-coated optics and high-quality BAK4 prisms further enhance brightness and color accuracy. They're also waterproof and fog-proof, so you can rely on them in any weather. The slim roof prism design makes them easy to handle, and the non-slip rubber armor ensures comfort during extended use. Though they lack some of the extra features found in more expensive models, the optical quality and price make them a fantastic option. In summary, these binoculars offer premium features at a budget-friendly price, making them a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Pros: ED glass for crisp, true-to-life images, fully multi-coated optics for bright visuals, BAK4 prisms for color accuracy, waterproof, fog-proof, and durable design, comfortable non-slip rubber armor, slightly stiffer focus wheel, lacks harness or lifetime warranty, may be heavier than some other models. 1 Celestron Nature DX8 X42 binoculars, birdwatchers alike. With fully multi-coated lenses and BAK4 prisms, it delivers sharp, bright images with excellent color contrast. It's built to withstand the elements, being both fog-proof and waterproof, which is great for unpredictable weather. The rubber armor design ensures a sturdy grip, making it easy to handle for long periods. The 8x magnification strikes the perfect balance for a variety of uses, offering a wide field of view and quick focus for moving subjects. In real-life use, the Celestron Nature DX performs well in both bright and moderate light conditions, but can struggle a bit when it's darker. Compared to the Nikon PROSTAFF 7S8 X42, which has better light transmission in low light conditions, the Celestron wins with its wider field of view. It's lightweight, easy to use, and a great option for someone looking for quality without breaking the bank. For the price, this pair of binoculars offers excellent value. It's a fantastic choice for beginners or casual users looking for reliable optics without paying a premium price. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews on outdoor gear. And remember, all the links are in the description if you want to grab any of these binoculars for your next adventure. Thanks for watching.